In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to connect to world in Minecraft Bedrock. Now, there's many different reasons why you could be getting this error, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing that you always want to do is you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is stable. Try to run a speed test, or you guys could try switching to a different network, but the point is you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi you're using is actually good and stable, and obviously you need to make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi in the first place. What you could do is you can go ahead and power cycle your router, and that basically means turning it off and then leaving it off for like 30 seconds, and then after those 30 seconds turn back on your router and see if that does get the job done. And I also personally recommend using a wired connection. If possible, use an Ethernet cable. A Ethernet cable is a physical cable that connects one side of it to your router and the other end of it to your device, and it will give you much faster connection that way, and that is actually what I personally use for years now. But the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have matching game version. So confirm that you and your friend or the Minecraft server you're trying to join are all using the same version of Minecraft Bedrock. Mismatched Minecraft versions often cause connection issues, so you want to make sure you're up to date, and also if you have like any friends or anything like that, make sure that they're up to date as well in their version of Minecraft. Another thing that you can try to do is to re-add your friend. So you can go to your friends list right over here and then unadd them and then send them another friend request. Now look, I'm going to be completely honest, Minecraft Bedrock is one of the most frustrating versions of Minecraft to work with because there's just like so many glitches, and it's such a big game that you really shouldn't be experiencing these type of issues, but unfortunately that's just the reality we live in. But if that's still not working and you're the one who's trying to host the Minecraft game, what I recommend that you guys do is go to your world, then select over here where it says edit, then go to the left menu, select the multiplayer, and you want to make sure multiplayer game is actually turned on because this is incredibly important. Same thing with like visible to LAN members, and over here player access is actually really important as well. So I honestly recommend just using friends of friends because it is just gonna make everything way more easier. Now, another reason why you could be running into this issue is due to your multiplayer settings. So in order to solve that, what you would need to do is you would need to either use a mobile device or a desktop or like a laptop or anything like that. And you just want to open up any web browser, and you just need to go ahead and look up Xbox Windows 10 Online Safety right over here. Then go ahead and press on it just like so. From here, you will need to log into your Microsoft account if you haven't done so already. So let me go ahead and sign in really quickly, and you need to sign into the same Minecraft account that you're using in order to actually play Minecraft Bedrock. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in really quickly. All right, once you're here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on your profile picture, then press on these three dots, then go ahead and select on Xbox settings just like so. Once you're over here, it is going to go ahead and give you a menu that does look like this. Then you want to select on Xbox and Windows 10 devices online security, and you basically want to allow cross network play over here, and you can join and create clubs over here because these are actually really important. So guys, make sure to go ahead and turn all these on, especially this one. You can join multiplayer games, so make sure that is actually allowed. But if none of these things are working, then what I personally recommend that you guys do as sort of a last resort is just to completely uninstall Minecraft Bedrock Edition and then reinstall it. I know that can be a little bit time consuming and can be a little bit hectic, but honestly that is sort of like the last resort. So please try these methods before you try to delete Minecraft and stuff like that, and obviously be sure to back up all your worlds just in case. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.